Arizona homeowner's best friend.
A sprinkler valve goes bad. A water line breaks. A particularly wet monsoon season hits us. And now all that powder dry clay soil is hit with all this moisture. What happens?
It starts to swell. And when it swells, it pushes up, on your concrete. So then you might get the same cracks you see with settlement, but they're actually from heaving.
Yeah, they call saying the southeast corner of the house is selling, and you show up and say, no, the northwest corner is heaving.
That's exactly right.
Right.
It's teeter-tottering.
And so how do you, with it settling, I can excavate under there and pour some bigger spread footings, and we'll talk about the other techniques of that. But with it heaving, well, how do you solve that?
A lot of that is really a couple of things. One, you always want to check to see if you have some sort of leak underneath the house, through your drain system or your pressure lines coming in, feeding the water in the house. Sometimes when you figure there's cracking, there could be some sort of leak, and so you want to check that. But drainage improvements, area drains outside, keeping the water 15, 20 feet away from the home is going to be a lifesaver.
It's one of the most overlooked dimensions of Arizona home ownership.
Yeah.
Surface drainage, because it never rains in Arizona. You shouldn't have to worry about that.
Right. And we actually recommend them almost on every single appointment that we go to.
Modifying surface drainage.
Yep, that's exactly right.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.